In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to pay an RBC credit card bill online. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Managing and paying your RBC credit card bills online is an extremely simple process. All that you have to do is either do it online through the online banking section or through the mobile app, which I believe is the most convenient way to do this process and pay any bills that you have attributed to RBC. All that you have to do to pay your RBC credit card bill online through the mobile app is to sign into your account and then use the Move Money option that you can find at the navigation bar on the bottom of your screen. Immediately upon tapping Move Money, you will find the action button to pay a bill on the list. So all that you have to do, as you might expect, is to choose Pay a Bill, and this will give you the options to manage your bills or add different payees. So if necessary, go into Add a Payee and you will be able to input the details about the specific bill that you want to manage through RBC. Alternatively, if you know that it is attributed to your account and all you want to do is go ahead and pay, tap the option above Add a Payee, which should be Pay a Bill. This is where you can choose the origin of this payment, the amount, choose the payee, the date, and then the frequency. So all that you have to do after you tap Pay Bills, like I said, in order, is to select which account you are going to be transferring the money from, include the specific amount of the bill that you are going to be paying, and then the destination, aka the payee or the bill itself. Afterwards, include the specific date in which this payment will go through. You can schedule it for future dates, and afterwards you can even set a frequency. So if you know specifically which day of the month you are going to be paying your credit card bills on RBC, it should be easier to simply set up automatic payments by including a monthly frequency. But regardless of which option you pick, all that you have to do afterwards is tap the option to continue. If all the details that you input are valid and legitimate, this should go through. You will be able to continue and confirm this transaction. Like I said, the process is extremely simple and you can do it through the latest version of the app with the methods that I just gave you or through the online banking section. If you want to do it on the website, all that you have to do is sign in and tap Add Payee in the Quick Payments and Transfers box. Since this process is much quicker, if you wish to do it on mobile, I won't be covering it too much on the online banking section, but it is easy to do it there as well. After you are done, the payment will go through and you can repeat this process as many times as you wish if you have multiple bills that you wish to pay and manage through the RBC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe. I hope I was able to help you. If you need more help and other guides, more quick tips, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.